Session Unicorn Records here, and I'll be showing you how to make a balloon animal hummingbird. This is what you'll need: a pump and a long balloon. This is how the hummingbirds look like. They look like this. I will be showing you how to make the eyes in the video, but you don't have to do them. You can make them the way you want. Here's another one. This one's flying. The other one's like flying differently. Okay, so first off, what you do is you blow up your balloon. Make sure you have a bit left. This much. Okay. So now what you do is you tie your balloon. Okay, it should look like this. Okay, now what you do is you grab your balloon and you put it like this. Make sure there's a bit more left here than over here. Now you twist it. This is what it should look like. Now what you do is find the middle and squish it down like that. Then what you do is you twist these areas. You only need to twist one side. That's how you make a hummingbird. That's how you make a hummingbird. Like that. And now, grab your Sharpie. You don't need to add eyes, but I suggest you should, or else it might look a bit creepy. And I'll just be showing you how to make eyes, but you don't have to follow that way. So first, you draw a dot like that, and that's basically your boy eyes, but if you wanted to make it a girl, you can add some eyelashes. Like that. And just do it on the other side. Like that. And then if you want to make it a girl, again, add some eyelashes. And that's your finished hummingbird. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and comment down below if you want me to make any more balloon animals videos. And bye!